AI is making people rich in 2025. Not just tech developers, but normal people using tools in smart ways. Let's break down 5 AI platforms that are turning everyday users into income machines. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. It's more than a chatbot. It's a content engine. People are using it to write emails, create digital products, offer SEO services, and even ghostwrite for clients. With ChatGPT 4 Turbo now out, speed and accuracy mean higher output and more money, even for beginners. Tool number 2, Midjourney. This AI image generator is helping creators sell digital art, Etsy prints, merch, and even ad visuals. Combine Midjourney with Canva, and you have a powerhouse for monetized graphics. No design skills needed. Tool number 3, Pictory video content is king. Pictory turns scripts into full-length videos using AI editing, stock clips, and voiceovers. Users are running YouTube faceless channels and monetizing views or using Pictory to sell video services. Tool number 4, Jasper AI writers. Marketers and small businesses love Jasper. It helps with long-form blogs, copywriting, and ad content, and many freelancers are charging hundreds using it to speed up delivery. Tool number 5, Opus Clip. This tool repurposes long videos into short viral clips, perfect for YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikToks. Creators are growing faster, and agencies are offering content clipping services using Opus as the back end. Final thoughts? AI isn't replacing jobs. It's multiplying productivity. You don't need to code. You just need to use the right tools smarter than everyone else. Subscribe to Online Money Plug for weekly AI-powered income strategies that actually work.